Okay. Uh, do you remember last time we were discussing this point?
Yes, sir. VA greater than VB.
Yeah. So here, positively charged plate, negatively charged plate, electric field was pointing towards negative plate.
अच्युत को
Yes.
कॉल करूँ?
No, Achyut has joined. Just he has joined.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Okay.
Sir,
What
sorry
we
for
are?
COVID.
No, not an issue. 1 coulomb charge is to be shifted from A to B. Okay. So will it go automatically or you have to push? No. It will go automatically because positive charge always follows electric field. So it will get repulsion from positive plate and attraction towards negative plate. And so it will automatically move from A to B. Okay. Now think about reverse situation. You have to bring it from B to A. Okay. So will it go from B to A automatically or you have to bring? Hello?
We have to bring, sir.
We have to bring. Forcefully it is to be brought. So you'll be spending
Yes,
energy
sir.
in order to bring it from B to A. So you'll be doing work. Work is to be done. It means whatever the effort that you have put in got stored when 1 coulomb charge reached A, so potential VA would be more than VB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
remember, if work is to be done to make the charge move, then that point's potential would be higher. Now look at this new situation. This is elect. Now let me reverse it. Can you think about what would be the plates here and plate here? Hello?
आपका शायद वीडियो लैग कर रहा है।
लैग कर रहा है?
थोड़ा
Is it?
सा।
Hold on then. Let me change the resolution. Okay. So रुकावट के लिए खेद है.
सही है?
Hopefully it will not lag now. Is it clear right now? Hello? Okay. Now since morning today Geo is not cooperating.
Yes.
Okay. So I was talking about which charge would be here.
अच्युत को इन करो ना वेटिंग रूम से.
वो 2 बार तो उसको इन किया. Still is there in waiting? No, nobody is waiting.
नहीं सर वो कॉल कर रहा है कि आप मतलब उसको लेट इन
नहीं, उसको
करो.
2 बार उसको लेट इन किया, लेकिन शायद नेटवर्क का इशू है आज. मॉर्निंग में मेरा जियो बहुत ही स्लो चल रहा था. आई couldn't watch news on YouTube. Okay, if he is joining, I'll let him in. Okay. Right now he is not in waiting room. Are you able to see the notebook right now?
Yes.
So what should be the charge on this plate?
Positive.
Positive. And this would be
Negative.
negative. Okay.
नेगेटिव.
Now this is previous diagram only. Okay. As usual, this is positive and this is
नेगेटिव.
negative. Okay. If my job is to transfer a charge from A to B, but charge is -1 coulomb, keep in mind. Earlier it was +1 coulomb, now it is -1 coulomb. What would happen if I want to transfer it from A to B? Will it go automatically, or you have to bring it forcefully? A to B. Forcefully. Why forcefully? Two reasons you can give. One reason is visible, that this is negative charge and this is also negative charge. Between them there is force of repulsion. So you have to forcefully bring. Another way to say, this positive and negative, there is force of attraction. So this will try to move towards plus. But your task is to take it away from that. And third reason you can give, who is waiting? Voice is not audible. Hello? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Achyut, you need to do some citing. Okay. This session is I'm making video recording, and this time, did you find that whenever I send that YouTube video, this notebook video is jittery?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
It was smooth, no?
सर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं, मैं दूसरी तरह से रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ अपने हिसाब से. स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मैं. फॉर्मेट फैक्ट्री में रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है. ओके.
सर वो
Okay.
जो संडे को आपने क्लास लिया था वो आपने लिंक में ही भेजा था ना, वो पीडीएफ नहीं भेजा.
PDF नहीं भेजा था
वीडियो में देख.
क्योंकि वो जो नोटबुक में पढ़ा है वही PDF बन जाता है फिर.
ओके
So you can have notes from that YouTube video.
ओके सर.
Okay. Now back to this point.
इसका भी रखना है वीडियो.
हाँ, इसका भी रखूँगा. Work is to be done. Right or wrong?
Right.
यस सर.
So when you reach at B, your effort will get stored at B. So VB would be more and VA would be less. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस.
So now in which context I was been discussing. So I hope you are keeping your textbook with you. Are you?
Yes.
If
Yes, sir.
not, then bring it and keep it close to you. I'm showing.
कौन सा पेज है?
Page is 59. Okay. There are positive charge creating electric field, P and Q. If question is asked whose potential is higher, You can see on the screen Vp greater than Vq, because when you are bringing 1 coulomb charge close to positive charge, it is coming against repulsive force, so you have to bring it forcefully, so potential at P would be higher. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
out of A and B, whose potential is higher? To bring
A.
1 coulomb charge from A to B is difficult, or B to A is difficult?
सर
A to B.
सर
A
सर
to B.
A to
Yes.
सर अच्युत लॉग इन
Yes.
कर रहा है लेकिन लॉग आउट हो जा रहा है और आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा उसको.
We see here what can I choose? I'm admitting in. Today even I was being kicked out from the meeting and somehow I joined in. We may need to change the timing. Okay.
रात का करें.
Because often at 10 o'clock,
हाँ सर रात के 10 बजे रखते हैं.
हाँ मजा
12
आएगा.
बजे रखते हैं। रात को
मजा क्या
10
है?
बजे 10 बजे रात को 10 बजे everybody keep your wisdom with you. Let us focus on this point. Timing we'll discuss later on. A to B. So generally positive charge always tries to go in the direction of electric field. Now electric field is going this way. Okay, and you are bringing it in opposite direction when you go from A to B. So you need to put lot of effort to bring it from A to B, and so potential at B would be greater than A. Okay, now there are actually 5 questions asked, but based upon this background you will be able to solve it. Okay, now you have to read example 2.2. Example 2.2. If I draw the textual diagram, this is O, this is A, distance between them is 15 centimeter. Let's say this is Q1 here. What is value? What is charge here?
3 into 10 to power minus 8 coulomb.
Okay. And here
minus
Minus 2
Minus
into
2.
10 to power minus 8 coulomb.
Okay, so one is positive, another is negative. Now somewhere on a line joining this, on this line, somewhere potential would be 0. Let's say this is, can potential be 0 in this region?
No.
Okay, when you stand somewhere between O and A, you will experience positive potential due to Q1.
Yeah.
Say yes. You will
Yes.
also experience negative potential due to Q2.
Yes.
Yes.
One is positive, another is negative. So there are chances that they may cancel somewhere at a point on this line. So yes, in this region, potential can be 0. Okay, can it be 0 on this side, left hand side of O, somewhere here? Can it be 0 at some point on left hand side of O?
No.
No. Why no?
Because it is out of the range of Q2.
Yeah, okay, partly correct. See, when you are here, you are close to Q1,
Yes.
so positive potential is
Far.
large, but you are far away from negative charge, so negative potential will be less. So answer will be non-zero. In this region, it was plus V minus V. In the central part, it could have been equal to 0. So this part potential is non-zero. This part it could be 0. Now go to the right hand side. Can it be 0 on this side?
No.
All of you feel free to answer. Whether you speak or not, your data will be consumed in the same way. So
No.
not to bother. No.
सर एक मिनट डाउट है कि अगर हम मतलब ये बीच में आपने जो पॉइंट ड्रॉ किया जहाँ पे आपने पोटेंशियल
हाँ।
जीरो कर दिया तो
हाँ।
Q2 की वजह से अट्रैक्टिव आएगा और Q1 की जगह से रिपल्सिव आएगा तो फिर वो पॉइंट ए की तरफ मूव करेगा।
करेगा। अभी तुम वापस फोर्स पे चढ़ गए, हम बात कर रहे हैं पोटेंशियल की।
हाँ पोटेंशियल तो उसकी है।
हाँ ठीक है। तो बैक टू माय ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन, एट दिस पॉइंट देयर आर चांसेस दैट पोटेंशियल कुड बी जीरो. व्हाई? इज इट अ लार्ज चार्ज? सी द मैग्नीट्यूड. हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the distance is also large.
Yes.
Sir, Q2
So
से ज़्यादा
there will be some positive potential here, will not be that huge. This was huge because here you were close. But when you talk about, let's say this is point P3, this is P2, and this is P1. Now, large charge
नहीं हो गया।
having effect at large distance would be less.
Yes.
Q2 is small charge and its net potential would be less. So here also answer could be 0. So left hand side of O, no. Between O and A, yes. Right side of A, yes. Potential could be 0. Are you getting it?
Yes,
This
sir.
is all. Remember, this answer line V is proportional to Q by R. Okay. Now let's say this distance is x from O. What would be this distance? 15 minus x, can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now if I go for potential, let's say this point is P, potential at P will be potential due to Q1 plus potential due to Q2. I'm talking about this point, okay? Now for this I can write K Q1 upon X plus K Q2 upon 15 minus X, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this would be 0 because that's what we have thought of, that these potentials are such that they cancel each other. I'm writing 0 here also. K is common. Q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon X plus minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon 15 minus X equal to 0. K shifted to the right side becomes 0. 10 raised to minus 8 is common, so that will also become.
0.
So finally it will look like
sorry,
3
not
by
0.
x minus 2 by 15 minus x equal to 0. Do you follow this step, last one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 3 by x equal to 2 by 15 minus x. This shifted to right side, so becomes positive. So 3 times 15 minus x equal to 2x.
2x.
45 minus 3x equal to 2x. 45 equal to
5x.
5x.
Equal to 9.
9.
Equal to 9.
So x equal to 9 centimeter from O. Okay, fine, sir.
Yes,
सर
sir.
एक और बार फिर से
Yes.
वो मतलब समझ नहीं आया कि पॉइंट बीच में पोटेंशियल जीरो क्यों हमने
फिर
किया?
से समझाना सर.
Okay. I'll draw the diagram once more. This is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb positive charge at O. and at A you have got minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. This is given to you. This is the line joining them. Now V equal to K Q by R. Do we know this formula?
Yes, sir.
So if Q is positive, potential is also positive, and if charge is negative, potential is also negative. So if you stand somewhere at point P, you will experience influence of positive charge giving positive potential, right? Due to Q1. At the same time, you will also be influenced by negative charge, whose potential you will experience as negative. So it's going to minus VQ2, right? Value would be negative, answer would be
0.
Darshan, it's clear now?
Yes.
So that was been here, plus V minus V 0. Here both the potentials were added, answer was 0. And this is simple mathematical stuff. Okay, sir?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Then there was one more part.
सर पर हमें इसको वेरीफाई करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे?
कर सकते हैं ना आप 9 सेंटीमीटर पर VQ1 इक्वल टू K Q1 upon 9 centimeter. So this is K, Q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 and distance is 9 centimeter, right? Now if I write VQ2 equal to K Q2 upon, if this is 9, this is going to be 6, total is 15, no?
Yes, sir.
Total is 15, this is 9, so this part is 6. So now write K, this is minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by distance was 6. So this is 1/3 K into 10 raised to minus 8. This is minus 1/3 K into 10 raised to minus 8. See, both the values are equal in magnitude, opposite in sign. Positive charge has created positive potential. This is volt and this is negative volt. Now if I combine both of them, answer is 0. Fine, sir?
Yes.
Shivam?
Yes, sir.
सर मतलब ऐसा ही नहीं कि हमने V अब VQ1 पोटेंशियल लिया पॉइंट, हमने वो 9 सेंटीमीटर तक आने की, फिर बाद
हाँ,
में
हाँ।
वो पॉइंट ए से अट्रैक्ट होकर खुद चला जाएगा ना।
हाँ, अगर आपने वहाँ पे 1 कूलम चार्ज रखा, it will automatically go from P to A. Correct.
मतलब नहीं, मैं ऐसा कह रहा हूँ, मैं O से P तक ला।
O से P तक लाया तो it will go automatically because you are having 1 coulomb charge, no? Positive repulsion. It will move. Whether even if A would have been absent or no, then also it would have gone from O to P. Right? So what is VQ1? Forget about this. Work done to bring charge 1 coulomb from infinity to point P. This is VQ1. What is VQ2? Work done to bring 1 coulomb charge from infinity to, but total potential here it becomes 0. So when you stand over here, on left hand side it might be like that. This is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and so on. So sorry, this is plus, 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 minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So when it is going, why it is going away from O? Because that potential becomes smaller, smaller and smaller. Here it becomes 0. Still it will go to the right side, potential becomes negative, negative and negative. Darshan, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. We are left with
3 minutes.
3 minutes. O, A, Q1, Q2, this distance was 15 centimeter, right? Now we discussed earlier that it could be 0 at this point also. Let's say now P is here and this distance is x. So this would be 15 plus x. From Q1 it is at 15 plus x, and from Q2 it is at x. Okay, so again potential at P equal to potential due to Q1 plus potential due to Q2.
Q2.
Now for Q1 I have to write K Q1 and this distance 15 plus x. For Q2 this is the distance x, K Q2 upon x, and this answer should be 0. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So K common, Q1 upon 15 plus x, Q2 upon x equal to 0. Q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon 15 plus x plus minus 2 10 raised to minus 8 upon x equal to 0. 10 raised to minus 8 is common and cancelled. So 3 by 15 plus x minus 2 by x equal to 0. So 3 by 15 plus x equal to 2 by x. So 3x equal to 30 plus 2x. So x equal to 30 centimeter.
30 आंसर भी होगा.
Is it clear?
Sir, 45
Hello. Then Q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8, 15 plus x minus 2 on x. टेक्स्ट बुक में आंसर गलत है कि हमारा आंसर गलत है?
नहीं सर, आपने जो Q1 और अपॉन 15 प्लस x प्लस Q2 अपॉन x किया ना, तो नीचे का दो उल्टा हो गया है. वो Q2 पे 15 प्लस x आएगा.
Q2, so we are talking about right hand side, no? Right side of P. Acha, okay, no, our answer is correct only. This x is 30 centimeter. So how far from O? From O, it is 15 plus 30 equal to 45 centimeter. Okay? From O to A, distance was 15 centimeter and this was found to be 30 centimeter. So total distance is 15 plus 30 and that is 45 centimeter. Okay.